Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be doing a nice easy job. We're actually going to be working on two of the cars. We're going to be working on the BMW 5 Series and the BMW 7 Series. Now what are we going to be doing? We are going to be replacing these. Now what are these? These are essentially the front jacking pads. They go onto the front subframe. They are the main front jacking support on both of these cars. And yeah, turns out they're actually missing on the BMW 5 Series and the BMW 7 Series. So yeah, we are going to be installing these today. Now these are genuine BMW parts. They are not expensive. If you do want to purchase these yourself, maybe yours are missing on your car, I will leave a link down in the description box below. But without further ado, let's get outside and let's get cracking. Okay then, so as you can see, we have the BMW 5 Series and the BMW 7 Series here ready to work on. As you can see, BMW 7 Series is up on some ramps. Now first of all, let me show you where the jacking pad should be located. Okay then, so heading underneath, you can see a section here. It's pretty obvious where the jacking pad should be, but this here, this is aluminium. This is the front subframe. Now essentially you can jack up anywhere on the front subframe, but you are better off using the jack pad. That's why I'm going to be installing this today. It is a bit more sturdy, and yeah, you definitely know you are jacking up in the middle when the jack pad is in place. So yeah, there's nothing to remove, there's nothing left of the old one. It must have just got ripped off at some point in its life. But yeah, let's get the new one installed on the BMW 7 Series. So these jacking pads just have a couple of these push rivets. They are only plastic, so I think we just need to line this up with the holes and then push it in. Now we need to make sure we push it in level. Can't go in at an angle. There we are. Make sure both sides are fully in. Just give it a few taps, and we should be able to tap the rivets home. There we are. That's the jack pad fully installed. Nice and easy. Okay then, so that is the 7 Series now done. Let's get this down off the ramp, and then let's get the BMW 5 Series onto the ramps. Now we can head underneath the BMW 5 Series to do the exact same. Okay then, so pretty much exactly the same. I'm sure these share the same subframe anyway, so it should be the exact same process. But yeah, just need to line up the holes. That's why that was hanging down a bit too low. And a screw's missing out of there. See if we can find one for that. There we are then, much better. Managed to find a screw to fit that hole. That is this one done as well. Okay then guys, so there we go. Nice, easy job done, both on the BMW 5 Series and on the BMW 7 Series. If you notice that your jacking pad on the front subframe is missing, please do replace it. Like I said, it's not expensive. It's so easy to do. Almost anyone can do this as long as you can get the car up in the air and, you know, push the new jacking pad into place. It's a no-brainer really. You are going to protect your subframe and you're going to protect your under trays as well, because if you are, you know, just trying to jack up on the subframe itself, chances are you're gonna, you know, either damage it or damage the under trays. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. Like I said, it's only just a quick video. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Hope you've learned something. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in that next one. Peace.